Okay. Come back up here.
Nah.
Alrighty.
No.
Hey, beauties. It's Riri.
Sorry. And Roy.
Caleb. Nathan.
And company. We're trying our very first SnackCrate box. This is for the month of July. I did wait until we went on family vacation because we all wanted to test some goodies. Full transparency, I don't remember what country it is, so it's a surprise, even more of a surprise.
Let him use his new knife. God.
I'll pop deets over here too. Ooh, already saw something. Ooh, the country is Italy.
I was born in
I'm assuming that everything like tells us what's in here, and this is only $12.99 per month. But y'all, I had a little promo that I saw on the Facebook. Facebook drugged me right on in, y'all, for $5. So we're gonna see if this is worth $5. I'm gonna hand each of us something. All right, Junior, you start. What do you have?
I have Amika Chips, Anelio Di My Gusto Pizza. So I'm assuming they're pizza flavored pizza rings. I'm gonna assume.
They look like Funyuns. They look good.
Yeah.
Come try some, Warren.
So
You
yeah,
have to be on
like
camera.
a pizza flavored Funyun. Let's see what they are. They don't smell great.
That's Warren.
They don't smell great.
You never know. They might be delicious.
No, they're not. They're not good. They're not good.
I like it.
I like them too. I like them too. You like them? He's like, I need one more.
Okay, so
All right, what do you rate it?
I got 3.
I think it's 6.5.
I say 6. What would you rate it?
What? Go a half point?
I think it's 7.
Okay. Okay.
I liked it.
We had a taker, y'all. Nate.
I took the bag.
He took the whole bag. He said 9. All right, Caleb, what you got?
I got Grand Pavesi.
Put it close.
I don't know how to read the rest of it. It's some olive oil Cheerio looking things.
Olive oil Cheerios.
yeah, they're tiny. They're small.
Look, I don't trust him. I'm gonna
so
link
scary.
the UK video that Caleb and I did years ago, and y'all will know why I don't trust him. Or I'll pop in the clip here.
This looks more healthy.
It's called
The other one.
Twiglets. That onion one's good. Oh, it's like a pretzel?
Okay.
Is that what it is?
No, not really.
This is a... I have no idea. Oh, a savory wheat snack. So yeah, like a pretzel. You little asshole.
It's not good. It's like,
Is that where you
this is definitely one of
What
those.
is that flavor?
It's very salty and then like burnt almost. This is definitely an acquired taste type thing. Like you gotta grow up kind of eating something like this.
Yeah, I'm
It's like roasted something.
I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Hilarious. Oh, they must be bad. Your face does not look good. You gonna come try some?
I give it a 3. And that's if I get something to drink.
It tastes like if you collect all the sawdust from a construction site and put it in a mold and bake it, that's about what it tastes like.
And you thought about olive oil in the next room over.
It's not horrible, but I give it a 4.
What do you mean it ain't horrible?
It's like
2.
It's like a 2.
It's like eating
2.
dust.
0.
I give it a 3.
It's terrible.
Alright. I have a mini tiramisu, which if y'all been here, y'all know I love
Probably
tiramisu.
a lot better.
She gets the good stuff. It's like here, guys. Here's the terrible
gosh.
ones.
Grab a butter knife or something real quick. Oh, shiza.
What?
Man, that thing beat to death, y'all.
Looked like somebody jumped on
It
it.
look like tiramisu
It looks
poo
like a Fig Newton, actually.
Looks like tirapoo.
If you're in that sort of thing.
I'm taking a teeny tiny piece. I'll give Warner a tiny piece.
Biggest man here, you gave him the small.
He can't have a lot of sugar.
Oh.
I like that a lot. But I love tiramisu.
What do you think?
Okay.
Very soft, very coffee forward, but not too strong.
Yeah, very good. A little bit bitter on the back end, but.
I say 8. That was good. What you think, Nate?
I'll say 6.
I'm conflicted.
I'm
I'm saying 6.5.
He kind of likes it, kind
I
of
still
doesn't
got
like
the
it.
past one in my mouth, so I'm still tasting the dry.
Oh,
I'm gonna give it like an 8.
our bad. I'm going back to this. All right, Nate, what do you have?
That is very bad. He's got more olive oil things.
Come through.
Got olive oil and apparently it's rosemary.
Okay. It's a
Crackers.
It's a shortbread.
All right, divvy them up.
Oh, what, divvy it myself?
If it's anything like that.
Well, I really like these.
I like them too.
They're great. I like these a lot. I'm a texture person, though. I just spit everywhere.
I always said spitters or quitters.
So it's gonna be a savory cracker. That's what Nate's nickname was in high school.
Yeah, I was gonna say something.
Savory cracker. Oh Jesus, we just got your show canceled.
Right, some more sawdust.
He said more sawdust.
It's sawdust with a flavor.
Are we edible?
Oh no, no, nope, nope.
She's spitting it out.
That's bad.
Here, I think I know we're all rating
All right,
it.
they're just dry.
I think I know we're all rating
It
it.
was better than the last olive
If you
oil
need,
thing. Very.
if you need material to build with,
If you're making a gingerbread house,
Out of season.
and you need, yeah, I don't
and
like
seasoning,
it. Ugh.
terrible,
that at all.
terrible. 2.
All right, Warren.
Oh, this is mine.
Oh wait a minute,
Yeah, we're all divvying it up. You gotta show them what you got, though.
I'm gonna
I'm ready.
put butter on it.
Come on, Peppy.
Oh,
Another chocolatey, sweet something or other.
Maybe it'd be better than the last one.
You add some moisture to
Oh, yeah, I
it.
give that a 2. It's not the worst thing I've ever tried, but it's just dry. It's very dry.
there we
Now,
go.
this looks like a wafer.
Excuse me.
Good.
Ginger's like, we're trying to make it edible. Ooh, that looks yummy. It's a chocolate wafer cookie thingy majiggy. Alright, y'all.
Spread the well.
Is it- Oh, there's multiples. There we go. Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh. it turned into 2 layers. Oh my gosh. Rhonda, are you sure you don't want to come try some?
Oh man,
I give that an 8.
Mmm.
That's good.
What is in the
really
center
good.
of that? That's really good.
What baby?
Cocoa and milk. That's great. I say 8 also.
It's alright. Another 6.
Alright, last one, and then we
give it
have
like a
add-ons.
I give it like a 6.
This is a
They love sawdust and
Gaston
styrofoam in Italy.
Crostatina cacao, which I believe is just like a chocolate pie of some sort.
It's like it's snack time. Sawdust.
They're known for their residential building materials.
I will say, at least with the olive oil stuff, like it actually
You do it
tastes
with
like good
mother
olive oil.
Yeah.
If you got people always begging for food, when they come over and feed them the other crackers, they won't ask for no more.
Oh, I was trying to. We might have to just bite into this, you
Hey,
guys.
no, there's a real knife right here. It's only had butter on it, so you're good. That'll probably add a little bit of flavor to that.
Man, that is the most uneven cut I've ever seen.
You shut up.
God,
See how they treat me?
I could have
you two?
karate chopped that better than what you just.
I'm about to karate chop you in your throat.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. That looks delicious.
Ha ha. Sawdust again.
Oh, dry.
another 5.
It's very dry.
Did we check the date on these?
We did not.
That ought to come with a bottle of water.
Tell us how you really feel, buddy.
Well, I'm gonna get a glass of milk after all this.
Wow. Some pizza flavored
Okay.
or whatever was alright.
You can also go in and buy add-ons. I got 3 packs of these for like $7, I think. It's popcorn shed, gingerbread popcorn, and I believe these were from the UK. And then I also got these limited edition squashies, naughty and nice. And we can tell by the packaging, these expire soon. All right, let's try that first.
Already expired?
I think they go out this month.
Sawdust.
That's September.
Oh, okay.
They're good for a while.
That would be the only thing because I did also get an add-on of like a gingerbread cake thingy, and it was expired like 2 months ago.
That's
so
what I was thinking you were talking about.
that part kind of sucks.
Oh, is this Italian caramel popcorn?
This is from the UK, and these are from the UK. These are little add-ons.
Oh,
Like it's spiced gingerbread.
Stale caramel corn that you put
yeah.
cinnamon on?
Yeah, pretty much.
Here goes some.
Well, there's more moisture in the UK food already, so.
Yeah.
Love you, UK.
We love everybody, but look, them things are dry, y'all. Real dry. And last up, we have squashies, which I already love. The regular squashies, they're delicious.
Yeah, the original squashies are the best.
I'm gonna do a pink one. They're strawberry ice cream and apple pie.
Are they sour?
No, not at all.
I'm gonna do me a
And I love the texture of these. If you guys have had the regular like squashies and stuff,
It's like
they're
a soft taffy.
incredible. Oh,
It's like a, it's almost like a taffy texture.
so good. Get
Like
on your
taffy.
This is good.
That's good.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh,
10,
it's like if a strawberry
Leagues
punched
above the
another
rest.
strawberry.
10.
A 9. A solid 9.
Come in.
No,
Look,
it's
we'll come in.
not,
Let this be the thumbnail.
it's not better than the pizza.
9. It's like a strawberry punched another strawberry in the mouth. It's so good.
All right. And then on this, I'm assuming it's going to give us facts about the host country
And
for that month.
Why the food is so dry?
And then, yeah, and then it gives us a little bit of information about each of the products in the box, which I do like. I think definitely a great experience, and obviously you guys take this with a grain of salt, you know what I'm saying? Like some people may like things that other people may not like. Like we like the pizza things, nobody else did. So don't get your feelings hurt, you know what I'm saying? It's just our opinion. Anyways, we hope y'all liked this video. Thank you to all my fellas for joining us. Come back.
Come on in, sweet pea.
But we love you all so much. Thank you to you guys. Thank you to you guys. I love you all so much. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course,
Be
your own best beautiful. Bye.